Imagine this. Every day feels like summer vacation. Welcome to 1872 Township, Rockmart's only water park community and the most exciting new neighborhood coming soon. The backyard at 1872 is where the fun lives. A splash zone and resort-style poolside lounge right outside your front door. New homes starting in the high 200s, featuring bright, modern layouts with open spaces and thoughtful details. Perfectly designed for how families live today. Tucked behind a lush tree line, 1872 Township feels like your own private retreat, right in the heart of Rockmart. Coffee, dining, groceries, and everyday conveniences, all just minutes from your door. With easy access to local schools for the kids, to the Silver Comet Trail for biking, running, and weekend adventures, and to shopping, dining, and entertainment in Cartersville and Hiram. Everything you love is always close to home. 1872 Township is where fun meets family living, and it's all coming soon. Be the first to know. Join our priority list today for early updates, model tours, and exclusive offers. 1872 Township, the fun starts here.